Varjo's enthusiast-grade VR headset is getting a brain-computer interface. Finn.
Well,
Here we go.
This might have been one of them I
This
saw.
is what it is.
Yeah.
This is what you need.
Are you impressed?
Capturing data from brain, eyes, heart, skin, and muscles. Just what we need. Update. They've tapped Valve and eye tracking firm Tobii as product partners. Holy cow. It appears to be priced $22,500. Wow. This or a car? I guess if you're in full immersion, you can get all the virtual cars you want.
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't matter. You just go for this. Oh, by the way, I was meaning to ask you, Vin, what do you think the world record is for chicken nuggets eaten in 1 minute? The world record. Guinness World Record. Chicken nuggets, 1 minute.
I mean, if you're doing...
Yeah. Go ahead.
I mean, can you go faster than 1 a second? Probably not.
Go ahead, Vin.
I mean, if someone was claiming more than 1 a second, isn't that a...
Well, it's not claiming. I mean, Guinness was there. Like, there's a video clip. You can see it happen. Question is, what do you think?
You gotta... Okay, I'll go...
Yeah.
40.
Yes,
40.
he goes 40, ladies and gentlemen. I think that's a valid guess.
But can he do the record?
Can you break the record? How many can you do? Let's just get the record out of the way and just say, how many chicken nuggets can you eat in a minute? You're allowed to have water, too.
There's not enough time for water. You gotta...
I think you might
Were
need
they
it.
pre-soaked?
No,
No.
they're not pre-soaked.
Right from the box.
How many could I do comfortably?
Not comfortably, if you're trying to set the world record. Chicken nuggets, 1 minute. 1, 2,
25.
3. 25, you would have the world record.
Oh, come on.
Dude, you would. Oh, look, DJ Medusa says, I have the Varjo XR3. The clarity's insane. Way better than Pixmax 8KX. Main thing lacking, though, is field of view.
This guy bought it for $20K.
Yeah, that's right. Well,
Medusa.
there we have some insight, courtesy of the community.
Yeah.
And therefore, maybe it is the immersion we're looking for.
Yeah, we should get this.
Yeah.
Be kind of cool.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Here are some specs as well.
7.8 megapixels per eye. 90 hertz refresh. 134-degree diagonal. Field of view, 115 horizontal. Okay.
Well, then what are you doing on it? Well, like what is there? Are there other like they wouldn't? What would be their preferred content on these to display or showcase their potential?
I think gaming. Gaming would be pretty big. Or like even like a virtual world with high resolution. I think there's something with the Quest where it's very low resolution that takes you out of the immersion.
So even playing Alex on these, like you're saying that's or no?
You could, yeah. I think it'll be very enticing. Yeah, we should set it up.
Okay, let's do it. Absolutely.